Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Today, sorry about what I'm putting on, but today I want to do turmeric. I want to let you know how turmeric works on the face, and you guys are going to be the judge. So I'm going to start first by putting my before video together with the after video, and then I'll show you the process in which I'm going to put it. So if you're interested in this video, stay tuned to the end of today's video. So guys, I just want to show you what I have before me. This is my turmeric. I hope you guys can see it. This is my turmeric here, and then I have a spoon here that I'm going to use to pack it, and then I have a little bit of water here. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to open this turmeric. You can see it. Look at the turmeric. So I'm going to just take a little shake. You can see how many I took, and then hold on, because I want to show you every bit of it. Then I'm going to put it inside this tiny bit of water, and then I'm going to stir it together. Stay together. Look at the consistency. It's not that watery, it is thick. Look at it. So what I'm going to do is that I have this brush here that I bought. So I'm going to, for my makeup brush, one of my makeup brushes I don't really use, then I'll put it inside. So guys, this is my mixture. I'm going to now rub it on my face. Make sure that you rub it very well, because anytime I use this, people always say that my face glows differently. So guys, you guys can see how I put it. So guys, after I've done this and I've covered all the length and breadth of my face, then I'm gonna use my hand to scrub my face. Going to massage it gently, especially where I have blackheads, acne, pimple, and all of that. I'm going to be putting my hands there and then scrub. I'm going to leave it for a while. So after letting it stay for a while, I'm going to go right now and go and wash up my face. I'll be right back. So guys, I've already washed my face and I feel so refreshed. It's as if it's a new skin already. So check it out. And then I also use my towel to mat my face to dry. So guys, can you state the difference? Do I look more beautiful than the way, is my face glowing than the way it was glowing before? Like, am I fine than the way I was fine before? Am I finer than that way? So I'm going to show you the two by each side. So now another way I use turmeric is, look at this, is olive oil and coconut oil inside it. So I have it, then I'm going to pour the turmeric inside of it and use it at night before I sleep. So this is it, and this is the rainy turmeric we used just now. The turmeric that is already in water that we used just now. You can see it now that we soaked in water. So I'm going to put it inside it right now. So I'm going to open this bottle, and then I'm going to try to impute the turmeric inside of it. If it doesn't move in well, you could as well take in the spoon and then scrape it, put it inside very well. And this is turmeric oil. So I'm going to shake it and let it settle in. I'm going to shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And then I'll leave it to cool. You can see the texture, the oil now, how it is. So you can still shake it and let it settle. Then all you have to do, thank God this bottle already is something that you can just open and remove. So what I do is that I'm going to open the bottle like this. This is the cover. Then I'm going to put a little on my hands. Then I'm going to rub my face. Then I want to sleep at night. Then I put it again. Rub my face. Then I'll leave the rest to settle in. If you're not in a rush, you can let it settle in very before you put it on your face. So guys, did you like it? Did you like what you see? So we'll be moving right to the benefits of turmeric now. I quickly want to let you guys know some of the benefits of turmeric. Naturally, it adds natural glow to your face, and it also prevents aging. If you have dry skin or you have a wrinkled, it clears it off and also prevents you from blackheads. All those blackheads are usually here. It helps us. It moisturizes your face too. It moisturizes your face, and those are the benefits of turmeric. So if you love this, I need you to also try the turmeric mask on your face and see how it feels. If you found this helpful, remember to subscribe, to like my video and share this video, and also comment down below if there are other things you need to comment about turmeric. See you in my next one, and bye for now.